Okay class, the next lesson is all about preparing for job analysis. So, last discussion natin is all about what is job analysis and what is the purpose of job analysis. So today, the topic is preparing for job analysis, and preparing for job analysis is one of the important steps in conducting job analysis. So, syempre alam naman natin na dapat prepared tayo to do our job para mas magawa natin better yung ating trabaho. So preparing is a must, no? But before we conduct the job analysis, we need to consider some of the decisions to be made, no? Ito yung who will conduct the analysis, how often should job description be updated, and which employee should participate. So ito yung mga decision na dapat nating tingnan, isaalang-alang before we conduct the job analysis. So, who will conduct the analysis? Typically, job analysis is conducted by a trained individuals, especially in HR area, the human resource or the HR people. Alam naman natin na the job analysis is the main function of human resource. So, sila talaga ang may authority to conduct the job analysis within your organization. Pero kung aliban kila HR people, meron pa namang mga iba na pwedeng gumawa ng job analysis. Nandito si supervisors or si job incumbents, no? And also si outside expert or the consultants. Kaya lang, balikan natin, kung gagawin natin si supervisor as sila yung mag-conduct ng job analysis or the job incumbents, please be reminded the person who will conduct the job analysis should be trained individual, no? So dapat si supervisor at saka si job incumbents, meron din dapat silang preparation before the job analysis. Ang preparation dapat nila is to undergo training. Okay? Kasi hindi po pwede na porque supervisor ka po pwede kitang tawagin to conduct job analysis without training, no? Again, job analysis is conducted by a trained individual. So dapat mag-training din sila. Si job consultant, one of the best choice to conduct job analysis is to hire consultant. This is the outside experts. Bakit sila good choice? Kasi they are well trained, they're professional, and basically this is their job, no? Job analysis is their job. So in terms of doing the analysis right, sila yung expert doon. Yung kasi ang ginagawa nila. Okay, may downside din naman, no? Pagka si supervisor ang ginamit natin o si job incumbents, ang downside dito is the issue of time and the focus to their own job. Bakit? Kasi si supervisor, meron siya sariling trabaho. Alam natin yan. At yun ang binabayaran sa kanya ng company. So kung gagawa siya ng job analysis, kung siya ang gagawa ng job analysis, syempre, after ng job analysis, merong report writing. And one of the report writing na pwede niyang gawin is to write the job description. So kung ang pag-uusapan natin is the time, kung may trabaho si supervisor ng 8 to 5 for 8 hours a day, 8 to 5, saang oras niya isisingit si writing of job description? So this is the problem, no? Si consultant naman, although ito yung best choice to conduct the job analysis, ang downside kay consultant is they are expensive. No, mahal sila consultant. Kasi yun ang trabaho talaga nila. Alam naman natin when we hire outside expert, outside people, talagang expensive sila, no? But an interesting alternative to conduct the job analysis is to have your intern do it, no? The intern. Bakit? Unang-una, kung si supervisor ay may problema sa time, pagka sila intern ang gumawa, po pwedeng ang buong oras nila ay nakafocus sa job analysis. Again, bakit pwede sila intern? Because they are trained also. like you're studying the job analysis, so magkakaroon kayo ng knowledge about uh, preparation of job analysis, how to conduct job analysis, how to spot the kisaw, etc. etc. So, this is a good alternative to conduct the job analysis. Kung si consultant naman ay masyadong expensive, si intern ay alam naman natin mura or minsan libre pa. Excuse me. Kasi OJT sila sa company. Kaya minsan mura, may mga company naman kasi nagbibigay ng stipend, pero may mga company naman talaga na wala. So talagang hinahire kayo to conduct to learn, no? Kaya nag-OJT ka. So, ang pwede mong ibalik sa kanila is to conduct job analysis. Kung bibigyan kayo ng trabaho. Kayo, kung magiging OJT kayo in the future, pwedeng ipagawa sa inyo ang job analysis. Second is, how often should a job description be updated? So, tanong, gaano kadalas, kailan ba dapat i-update ang job description? The basic answer here is, the job description should be updated if a job changes significantly, kung may malaking pagbabago dun sa trabaho mo. Tsaka lang siya i-update. Bakit? Kasi, kung wala namang significant changes dun sa trabaho mo, wala namang pagbabago, anong i-update mo? Basically, wala. Kasi, kung paano mo gawin, ngayon, last month, last year, iyon din yun ngayon. Kaya, anong i-update natin? So, wala. So, mag-update lang tayo ng job description kung may malaking pagbabago na nangyari doon sa trabaho mo. Pero yung pagbabago niya, saan ba natin pwedeng makuha? Halimbawa, may nangyayari sa trabaho mo ngayon na factor yon para magkaroon ng update sa job description. Ito yung tinatawag natin na job crafting, no? So what is job crafting? Job crafting is a factor for the update of job description. Kasi si job crafting is basically redesigning your job by adding or removing particular tasks. So may mga trabaho ka na pwede mong meron kang task inventories, di ba? Meron kang listahan ng mga gagawin mo doon sa particular job description mo. So pwede kang magtanggal doon, pwede kang mag-add pa. This is job crafting. So, from the word crafting, so, inire-redesign mo. Nag-create ka ng molde, for example. This is job crafting. So, job crafting is a creation, no, of a different job within the context of your defined jobs. No? Nagkakaroon ka ng extra kung ikaw ay mag-a-add ng task or may tinatanggal ka kasi pakiramdam mo na hindi tama yung job na to o yung task na to for your job. So, kinakraft mo na siya. Inaayos mo yung trabaho. Malaking bagay ito, no? Pag pinag-usapan natin si job crafting, malaking bagay siya doon sa issue of meaningful life in the organization. Kasi alam natin, no? Interesting study na nabasa ko is the study of Vogel, Rudel, and Lynch. The study nila is about the work life of misfits. Misfits, sabi nila gano'n. So sabi nila doon is the employees whose important values are incongruent with the values of their organization. These individuals are more likely to be disengaged and unproductive at work. Okay, the values, no? The values of you as employee are incongruent to the values of your company. So, pagka ganon, ang sabi ng mga researcher, magi-engage o magiging disengaged tayo or magiging unproductive sa ating trabaho. Kaya naman, sinasuggest nila and they entertain the possibility to engage these employees, they entertain the possibility to engage in alternative action. Ito yung redesigning na alternative action. Ito yung ginagawa mo po, pwedeng gawin mo ganito. So, redesigning. crafting. So, yun daw ang makakapagsalba o makakatulong para yung disengagement at pagiging unproductive ay matapos. Ano ba mas magandang term para matapos? Ay hindi magtuloy. So from disengagement, maging engage ka uli. From unproductive, maging productive ka uli. By engaging in alternative action. This is redesigning. No? This is job crafting. The next one is the participation of employee. Which employee should participate? So, meron dito mga committee-based tsaka field-based. So, siyempre sa committee-based, this is the subject matter expert, these are the supervisor, incumbents, consultants, and the management. Sa field-based naman, ito yung ni-interview natin. No? Interviews, observes number of incumbents. Yung mga nagtatrabaho, tinitingnan natin yan. Kung paano sila magtrabaho in their own time, tsaka doon sa actual work setting. Okay? These are the preparation in conducting, before we conduct the job analysis. So, conducting job analysis. In conducting job analysis, we have 5 steps. The first step is to identify the task performed. Sabi sa book, the first step in conducting job analysis is to identify the major job dimensions and the task performed for each dimension, the tools and the equipment used to perform the task, and the condition under which the tasks are performed. So, lahat ng ito ay tinitignan, lahat na ito ay i-identify, no? Para makita ano ba talaga ang gagawin sa task performed. In order to do that, we need this. We have to gather existing information, interview subject matter experts, observing incumbents, tsaka job participation. In gathering existing information, to gather existing information, kaya existing to, meron na tayong mga available information. Nandito yung mga existing job description, nandito yung ating mga task inventories, nandito yung ating manuals, no? Halimbawa, training manuals or department manuals. So maraming pag naging empleyado kayo sa isang company, so maraming manuals kayo makukuha na organizational manual. Minsan per department meron din silang manual. Kung paano nila kinakandak ang kanilang sariling trabaho within the department na naka-anchor naman doon sa buong organization. Okay? Second one is the interview subject matter expert. Siyempre, alam natin yan. Sino-sino yan? The supervisor, incumbents, consultants, and the admin or the management. The third one is observing incumbents. So pag sinabi natin observing incumbents, like for example, you are the analyst. Basically, you are observing them performing actual job in a work setting. So naandun ka, halimbawa, ikaw yung empleyado, ikaw yung workers, then ako ang analyst. So habang ginagawa mo yung trabaho mo, nandun ako, tinitingnan kita. So this is observing incumbents. And last one is the job participation. So pag sinabi natin job participation, basically ang sinasabi lang natin dito ay do it by yourself. Okay? You can better analyze a job by performing it. So kung gagawin mo to, mas malalaman mo kung paano siya ginagawa. So magkakaroon ka na mas clear understanding doon sa task pag ginawa mo. Dito sa observing incumbents sa job participation, may mga advantages dito. Actually, advantages lahat yan. Kaya lang, like for example, dito sa observing incumbents, kasi pag in-interview natin si subject matter expert, like for example, si incumbents at saka si supervisor, minsan, during the interview, may mga important aspect sa kanilang trabaho na hindi nila nababanggit during interview. But observing them, makikita natin na hindi naman niya nasabi itong gantong bagay, pero ginagawa pala niya. Okay? So, job participation, ganun din. Mamaya, hindi niya nasabi during interview, pero nung ikaw gumawa, naituro niya sa'yo. Ma'am, ganito po yan. Ay, sir, ganito po yan. So, check mo muli yung ginawa mong interview. So, hindi niya nasabi yon during interview, pero nakita natin by observing them and by participating to the job that they are doing. The next step is to write the task statement. Siyempre, after identifying the task performed, ito yung next step natin, no? Write the task statement. The write statement is ito yung gagamitin natin to use, no? Para makapag-create ng task inventory, no? Yung task inventory, ito yung sinasabi natin na listahan ng mga gagawin. Task inventory, ito yung inventory ng mga task. Malinaw ito. Okay? The task inventory is sinasabi, pagka ginawa natin si task inventory, it should have or must contain action and objective. No? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng action and objective? Kasi pag sinabi nating trabaho, ito yung task inventory mo, dapat ano ang gagawin mo at paano ito gagawin? Ano yung object natin? So, kung titignan natin dito, merong dalawang klase ng pagkakasulat ng write statement. Ng task statement, I mean. Yung una, send purchase request. Yung pangalawa, send purchase request to purchasing department using campus mail. So, kung titignan natin itong example na to, ng task statement, alin dito yung malinaw? So, maliwanag naman, ano, na mas malinaw si send purchase request to purchasing department using campus mail pag pinag-usapan natin itong action and objective. Alam yung action at alam yung object, kung ano yung mga gagamitin, hindi katulad ng send purchase request. So, tanong nito, saan, kanino, paano? Dito, sinagot, send purchase request, saan, paano? Okay? So, dapat may action and object sa write statement na isusulat natin. Guys, nga pala sa task inventory, pag nag-identify tayo ng task performed, kadalasan marami pa tayo na isusulat dito, no? Na isusulat. So, kaya sasagutin niya ng step 3, rate the task statement. Basically, this is based on the frequency and importance of the task. So, magagawa natin, pag inilista natin, isulat na natin si task inventory, i-rate natin yung mga task na yon based on the frequency and importance of the task. Gaano ba kadalas ginagamit yung task na to? Gaano to kadalas? Pwedeng gumawa ka ng task rating scale ng 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 is hindi masyadong ginagamit, 3 is padalas ginagamit. So, this is the frequency. Importance, ito ay, yung task na to ay hindi naman masyadong importante. Ito, importante. So, rating the task statement is very important. No? And, the person who will rate the task statement is the subject matter experts. No? Mas maganda silang gumawa noon, tsaka yung comments. Okay? The next step is to determine essential key sounds. So, alam natin ang kisaw, no? Pag sinabi natin kisaw, it's also called a competence or the job specification. So, we already identified the task performed. We already write the task statement. Tapos, narrate na natin itong mga task inventories na to, the task statement. Narrate na natin. And then, ito naman ang hahanapin natin. Ano yung mga kisaw na kinakailangan para magawa itong mga task na ito? So, hahanapin natin yung knowledge ng tao, hanapin natin yung skills, hanapin natin yung abilities and other characteristics. Pagka sinabi natin knowledge, ano yung alam niya buo? O information, theoretical knowledge, for example, about sa subject matter or about doon sa gagawin ng trabaho. Halimbawa, ang gagawin mong trabaho ay IT. Gaano kalawak ang alam mo sa pagiging IT? Yan. Sa skills, dito naman tinitingnan yung proficiency, no? The efficiency ng paano mo gagawin, gaano ka galing gawin dito. This is the skills. And the ability is the capacity of performing, for example. Capacity of performing in different tasks, acquiring and developing new skills. And other characteristics, ito naman ay involving personality mo, yung mga ganon, no? This is ito yung i-determine natin, no? Ano yung mga bagay na, ano yung mga kisaw na kailangan para dun sa particular task. And lastly, selecting tests to top kisaws. Siyempre, na-identify natin, nasulat natin, na-rate na natin, and then, alam na natin yung mga kisaw na hahanapin natin. No? Pero, alam na nga natin yun. So, kailangan gawin natin ay maghanap ng test or methods para ma-select yung right employee para dun sa particular task, particular job. So maraming pwedeng gawin, maraming pwedeng methods to select employees. Pwedeng ability test, personality test, reference checking, integrity test by data, assessment, etc. So this is our some of the methods of selecting employees. Actually, interview is one of the methods in selecting employees. So basically, this is the 5 step in conducting job analysis. Okay?